Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick tips and tricks video for getting some space back on your hard drive, and also at the same time possibly speeding up your PC. And one of the things you could do is remove unused programs from your PC. Now if you're on Windows 7, you can go to your start menu and you will see the control panel. And the control panel will actually have its share of programs. So here in the control panel you'll have something called programs and features, and the programs and features contains the list of all the different software you have. If there's some software in here you don't use anymore, of course you can click on it and click the uninstall button that you will have when you actually click it. So by doing this, you can actually double click or click the uninstall at the top and have the software removed. Now, one of the things you got to be careful with this is to make sure that you uninstall things that you know, because if you don't, you might actually run into problems. For example, here, Realtek High Definition Audio Driver. Now, I don't know how many times as a tech guy I've went to some clients and they said some features or some things were not working in their PC after they did a cleanup. Well, often they actually have the cleanup done and remove things that should not be removed, and that's where it's happening. So you got to be careful not to uninstall drivers. Anything that's called a driver should not be uninstalled, and just make sure that you uninstall things that you are aware what they are. You can Google it if you want. If you're on Windows 10, you can actually go into the Settings app. By going into All Settings, you will be able to go to the Apps. Here, after a couple of minutes of scanning and checking out, you will see that all the programs that are installed are in the Settings app. In Windows 10, it's better to go into the Settings app because the Settings app will have both the Desktop 32 software that you could see in the control panel and the apps that come from the Windows store, for example. And you're able to, of course, click and remove the different apps from here by clicking on this software and clicking the uninstall button for that in Windows 10. So in Windows 10, use the Settings app. In Windows 7, go to the control panel and do a little cleanup. It's going to actually give you more space on your hard drive if you got some problems. And if it's not that, it might even make your PC faster, because you might be removing something that is starting out with your PC and running in the background. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.